Yeah, so Sunday night was pasta night, and that was our family thing. That was our fun thing to do.
Do you remember when you were little, and if you were really bad, your mom would give you the lemon?
Lemon?
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about? Like, if you were a little bad, you get a third of a lemon.
Now, son, old women can hold doors open for themselves. You know the punishment. A third.
Please, no. Please. Please, mother, please.
You know what you did? You did this to yourself. Only you to blame for this. Now you're gonna think about that taste every time you see an old lady open the door.
If you were pretty bad, you get like 2/3 of a lemon.
How dare you win the annual spelling bee? What do you think, you are better than other kids by spelling better than them? 2/3.
No, please.
2/3.
Please, mother. I feel like my insides are like a cleaning supply warehouse.
Better think about this now. How's it taste?
Like a lemon.
That's right, like 2/3 of a lemon.
If you were super bad, you get the whole lemon.
How dare you, son? Tell the principal and the whole school board that I'm force-feeding you lemons when you and I both know you are doing this to yourself. You are doing these bad actions. You're being a bad boy, and now it's time for you to be punished. Now eat that lemon! Full lemon! Yeah, you're gonna think about that now. Yeah. Never again. We can go through this all through high school. Try me. We have a lemon tree out back.
No, I cannot say I've ever had a lemon punishment.
Your mom never made you eat lemons when you were bad?
Never. Did your mother make you eat lemons?
Oh no, dude! I'm messing with you. I'm joking around.
I'm not sure if you are.
I'm joking around. This is a lie. I'm lying. This is a lie. This is not true.
Are you sure?
You don't have to cry, man. It's okay. I'm not crying either. What do you like, dudes? You're crying right now because you like dudes?
Are you sure about those lemons?
It's 2019. You can like dudes. Yeah, I was just joking, Lemons. Who would do that to their child, right? Who would make a young baby boy eat